What's up, peeps? Sith187 Gaming on YouTube 101. So I was doing a little retro gamer here. I got some NES. I was getting this going yesterday. Free PC. And all of a sudden, this thing wouldn't shut down properly. So I played a couple rounds, or not a couple rounds. I played some Final Fantasy 2. Listen. A little bit of dust still there. Should have seen it before. Look, I got a floppy drive. There's disk errors. So the little time that I used it, it finally killed the disk or something. It's trying to repair itself. Doing a check disk. It's been doing that for like 10-15 minutes. Oh well, at least I got another drive here, 80 gig only. This one in there is like 400. But yeah, I have to reinstall Windows 7 and everything else. Luckily I didn't do all the updates. I would have been pissed. We'll wait till this is done if it finishes. If not, I'm just going to take it out and scrap it. Keep the magnets. Magnets are fun. And yeah. Good time.